What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre. Happy holidays. I'm in the festive mood, so you know I got dressed up. Right now we got ZICO. We also got, I didn't expect this collab actually, Lilas, which I think that's the more like artist solo name of correct me if I'm saying this right, YOASOBI Ikura. Hella talented. I got to see them ahead in the clouds live, and that was the best thing in my life. But it's called DUET. I've seen clips of this already through like social media. You know how social media it'd just be everywhere. But yeah, I'm excited. Anything that ZICO touches usually is hella catchy, trendy, or he uses like other trends and makes it into something. If you guys have been doing well, the holidays are here. It gets busy sometimes. Life be lifing. Hopefully you have a safe one out there. Drink responsibly if you do drink. Just be safe in general and have fun. Be sure to check out the Patreon. We've been reacting to Boys Over Flowers and it's been a great time. You guys seem to be enjoying it just based on the likes. Go check it out. Patreon, link in the description down below. Let me ask a question. I want to do these things where I ask a question and you guys answer in the comments down below. What is something that you want to receive for Christmas? It could be something crazy. It could be actually something genuine. It could be anything. All right, without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Duet. I think captions are on. Yes. Oh. Wait. Him running from himself? Everybody dance. Oh, they got the dancing bug. Ikura. My favorite song. Where is he? Wait, did it go back in time? Sorry. Yeah, it looped. Or like went to the day. Crazy. Oh. You look good. Not the 6'7". Is that a 6'7"? I'm tired of 6'7", yo. I'm too old for this. Oh. Oh. It seems like everybody's waking up in random places. Oh, in the past? I was a little. She's like, let me get out of here. Ooh. This is a dope collab. Oh. Is that Butterfly? Oh, it's them in the past? Oh, girl. Oh. What? I mean, I feel like in every classroom it's like that already. The kids are so funny. Hey. Bro, he always implements a dance that's gonna be catchy. And I already know people are gonna be doing this. Is that it? No, it's not done. That is too short. Oh, and then it repeats. And then it repeats. Interesting. Ah, bro, that is so short. I hate that it was short. I wanted more. I think that's a good thing, right? When you want more. Dang. As expected, ZICO got some catchy songs, bro. They got some catchy songs. Like off the bat. I love her part 2. She's so dope. Oh. Literally every teacher in their classroom witnessing this. Like, oh my god. 6, 7, 6, 7, 6. Man, 8, 9. I'm like the Grinch. 8, 9, 8, 9. If you've seen that, if you know, you know. All right, y'all, put a comments down below what you guys think of ZICO and Lilas. Is it Lilas? I think it is. Duet, official MV. I think it was catchy. I think it was too short. I already see this being a trend in the next, like, week. It's the same guy that gave us Any Song as well, and that took off during, I think it was during the pandemic. That's crazy to say that during the pandemic, during COVID. But yeah. All right, y'all. Put a comments down below what you guys think of this song and this collab and this music video. I thought it was fun. I think the kids were like super energetic and like just the dancing is so cute too. And everybody doing it. This collaboration is so epic. And yeah. Guys, happy holidays. Be sure to check out the Patreon. Reacting to Boys of the Flowers over there. Link in the description down below. Check out the Twitch. Check out all my shorts and my reels and my TikToks. Go check it out. Link in the description. Have a blessed holiday. I see you when I see you in the next video. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You could become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.